Sigma Sauce Productions.
Oh no. Our bike. It's broken. It's No. No. Why? Can you help me? My bike is broken. Yeah. Oh, we got you, bud. Alright. Let's get this bad Larry up there. So that's how you do that. I see.
I'm gonna go interview them about the bike repair ELO. Hey, excuse me, is my bike almost done?
Yeah. It's looking great.
Cool. How has bike repair impacted your life?
First bike, Betty. Oh, she was beautiful. Big pink bike, little stars on the wheels. Oh, she was beautiful. Please back up, sir. Thank you. Beautiful bike. I remember I was riding. There's a car coming, and I was in the middle of the street. And I crashed it on the sidewalk. Broke my bike. My big cousin showed me how to repair my bike. My life never been the same since.
That's wonderful. That's absolutely wonderful. And you, how has bike repair, I guess, impacted your life or impacted your high school career as a bike?
Well, it's allowed me to go into opportunities that I really enjoy doing, and I just find great pleasure from fixing old bikes up.
Me and Bella have one more question. Finian, I want to know more about the bike ELO.
Well, it should be starting up in a couple weeks, but if you have any more specific questions about it, I'll talk to Miss McCloy right here.
Awesome. It's been a pleasure. Thank you guys for taking my bike and fixing it. But for now, me and Bella signing off.